来看澳洲有一间图书馆哦，发现有受到家庭暴力的少女长期拢踮伫图书馆，所以因就互社工哦，会当借互这个少女来咨询，望讲会当来保护这个少女。
图书馆壁角的会谈室，社工当咧甲民众轻声讲话。传统图书馆一样是民众的避风港，还阁有免费的 WiFi、舒适的座椅甲娱乐设施。也毋过澳洲西澳필수的科克本市的一间传统图书馆——成功图书馆，最近煞增加一项新的服务，会当借社工为寻求帮助的人提供心灵还是生活上的援助。
A lot of these supports are set up in a very clinical setting, and that can be quite daunting for people to go into. Whereas in the library setting, everyone is accepted. It's a very culturally safe space for people to attend. It's free, it's warm, it's inviting.
图书馆增加这项服务，起源于一名15岁少女，和官方认为需要增加专业资源来帮助弱势团体。
Recently, we had a young 15-year-old girl who was spending many hours in the library every day. She wasn't at school and she didn't want to be at home because she was suffering from domestic and family violence. And she didn't want to leave when the library was closing.
事实上，提供相关的社工服务，伫美国甲英国的图书馆已经是常态发展。也毋过，伫澳洲因为预算有限，真歹提供社工服务。澳洲地方政府协会已经督促州政府伫4年来增加3000万澳币，相当5亿8千万台票的预算，互在地图书馆会当应用一直变化的社区期望甲需求，毋望会当就此对社区资源甲相关资源发展有益处。公司新闻陈思彤编译。